Vivo V29 Pro. Is that budget-friendly phone or worthly phone? Let's check out and subscribe to our channel for more content videos. Basic specifications. Processor MediaTek Dimensity, 8200 RAM and IPA-ROM, 88 GB, plus 256 GB, 12 GB, plus 256 GB. Battery, 4600 mAh TYP, 4505 mAh, mini. Colors available in Himalayan Blue Space, Black Operating System, Fun Touch, OS 13 Global. Camera, front 50 megapixel AF, rear 50 megapixel OIS, plus 12 MP portrait, plus 8 MP wide angle. Aperture, front main f2.0, rear main f1.88, portrait f1.98, wide angle f2.2. Display, screen 17.22 cm, 678 inch. Resolution 2800x 1260 FHD+. Type AMOLED, touchscreen, capacitive multi-touch, network, card slot, 2 nano SIMs, standby mode, dual SIM dual standby, DSDS, connectivity, Wi-Fi, 2.4G, 5G Bluetooth, Bluetooth 5.3 USB Type-C GPS supported, OTG supported, in the box, documentation, Type-C to USB cable, USB power adapter, eject tool, phone case, protective film, applied. Let's check out the price. In Indian price is 39,999 rupees. Please like, share, and if you love this phone, then comment love.